Hey everybody out there in Wasabi Land, this is Jennifer with Oregon Coast Wasabi, and I'm here today to bring you something really exciting. We have a new product that we're offering on our website, and it is this. This is a handmade wasabi grater, and it is handmade by a wasabi farmer in Japan. You can see the center part has been made into the grating surface. So you use it like you would any other type of grater, and you'll just, grate along the middle here. So the grater is going to be available on our website, but I want to tell you a really cool story. The graters are made by a wasabi farmer in Japan, as I mentioned. His name is Endo. And Endo not only is a wasabi farmer, but his farm is the property of the farm, and the farm itself was in a certain level of disrepair. And Endo has taken it upon himself to rebuild all of the terraces. So if you've never seen a traditional wasabi farm, you should go to YouTube and just Google it, or just put it into YouTube. And you'll see that traditionally wasabi is grown along stream beds in Japan, and often they're terraced. They're terraced with stones, and the water runs through the stones. Remember, wasabi is not an aquatic plant, so don't overwater your plant in pots. But in its native habitat, it grows in running water with lots of oxygen. When the terraces are built by hand, so Ando has taken it upon himself to basically repair this entire farm by hand. And we're really excited to be able to help him out and to be able to offer this product that he makes by hand. These are Japanese roof tiles that he makes by hand, and instead of having them be tiles for roofs, he actually takes them and turns them into these beautiful wasabi graters. We'll have links below to how you can order them on our website, and some photos of Ando's farm. Have a great day, everyone.